day 3 on the farm, as you can see. Making this story look nice by putting some in there, going to cut it off the tray around and put it in here. And back to the toilet people again. So, as you can see, I've got the router out and the sander. I'm going to make some architrave out of this that was lying around in my garage to go around the frame of it, to put a rounded edge on and make it look good. So watch me rip these down. Right, there you go. Architrave and door frame. Nice big walk through. So stops all the congestion when they're waiting for the food. So now we're going to go back to the toilet now, get the cubicles, finishing the men's, and then make a start on the women's, hopefully. Right gang, so we're back in the toilet block. You try and get them back bits in. They'll just sit on clips so you can take them off, put them back on. There's an end panel to go on there. We need to fix this all together so it's nice and tight, fix it to the floor, get the doors swinging, put the locks on, and this one's done in terms of the cubicles, but there's still silicone and and then bits of cladding and stuff to do, but nothing major. So hopefully we get this one done today, then we can make a start on that one, and then we've still got that back door to fit down the canteen. So still got quite a lot to do this week. You need to zoom out. You haven't. Show us. Show us then. Oh, right, okay. I don't know what to say.
in there.
So, we've got the brackets on. These brackets go onto these shadow bits. These ones. So we're just busy transferring these measurements into there. So when we put these on, they're easy accessible to get to the toilet. So these brackets go on here. Well, let's put the last one on. And then using these ones, just slide it in. Yes, gang. So, we've got the doors on, we've got all the back bits on, easy access, so you just lift it up, access the toilet behind, slide it back on, jobs are good. These are the doors I was excited to show you about because look how cool they are. I like them a lot. I think they're really cool for the kids. So this one's nearly done. And then we've got a whole side to do on the ladies. So we're just chipping away at it, getting there. But really happy with how that's turned out.